can hear the electric fans working in the background. So this is our, 6-liter rebuilt in-house. No VVT, no DOD, which is, as far as I'm concerned, death on demand. Let's see, what are we running for oil pressure there? I don't have glasses on. All right, that's normal for a Gen 4. We're good there. Any codes present?
Nope, there is no codes present.
All right. And we did have a code present. We had a bad O2. So we switched it from one side to the other. The problem followed the O2. We got rid of it, and now we have no bad codes. This is some of the quality assurance we like to do so that we keep the problem here and we don't ship the problem to you. But this is, what's the fellow's name?
Steve Bronner.
Bronner, Steve Bronner, okay. I had said that as the owner of the company, I wanted to get this in, broken in, and ready to ship. And today, I think we're actually gonna do just that. So, hey Steve, enjoy your engine. Thank you.